Hey, I have here in front of me the Phenyx Pro 7000 4-channel wireless system. I've got a job coming up where I'm doing a bunch of interviews on camera, and then they want to do a group interview. And we're tight on crew. We don't really have a sound guy. So it's my responsibility to get the audio of everybody. I discovered the Phenyx Pro systems, and this is kind of more like event driven. This is a rack mount, or can be rack mounted receiver. And I've been messing around here shortly. So right now I have one of the packs on for the audio. And they're nothing heavy duty. This isn't, crazy high-end wireless system. But for a lot of the stuff that I just need to do, whether it's event-driven, musical, or like this group interview, this seems to work out great. It just took me a second. It comes with 4 transmitter packs. Now they're all plastic, 2 AA's. You turn it on here at the top, and it gives you a window of your battery status and your channel. And what's really interesting is they pair up through RF. So what I had to figure out is you just open up this, and this is an RF window, and then on the front of the unit there are 2 RF windows. So you just tap a set, just a quick tap, hold this in front, and once it pairs up, it'll say antenna, and you're ready to go. I mean, once I knew what I was doing, that was quick. Now, they come with headsets as well. So if you get a situation where you want to do it with a headset, one of these deals where the mic is right here, or you get 4 of those. You get it in black, you get it in the skin colored, and then you get your transmitter, like regular microphones right here that I have on with the clips. You also get these microphones in this color too. You've got 4 balanced outputs. So right now I'm taking an XLR out, feeding my camera here, adapting it to a mini plug. You also get a mix out via phono here, so that you could send this to a mixer. You can send them to however you want. You can do individuals, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is great, right? That way they're always separate channels. The front here gives you your volume control. There is no metering on these, so hence why you either need to go to a mixer or somewhere where you're being able to see the output. That's the only thing that's missing. You get your frequency, and it keeps telling me, antenna, that it's paired. So you would just individually pair all of these through the RF, and you're up and running. The question becomes your outputs. If you want isolated channels, then you need to be able to send that to the mixer, however you want to do it. Or if you just want the mix, you can do that through the phono output. Great value, and this should work quite well. Now, these are UHF frequencies, and you can manually dial in frequencies as well. So you can do a room scan. It'll do an automatic scan through the room and give you what it thinks is the best frequencies. Then go ahead and pair up your transmitters to the frequency that this says, hey, this is great. So, I think it's pretty great for the value, and I can't wait to use it on my job.